Welcome to my channel, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sports!
So big time basketball for the Nanay division. Flip goes for the white. On the top of the key now. Here's number 24. On that baseline, the jumper. He knocks it to points for phase 3. And here's number 2 now, bringing down that letter. Pass off to number 5. Number 5, pass at the middle. Post jumper. There with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound goes. Here's number 5 again. On the right side, here's number 77. Shot no good. Shot up down to... Here is number 24. At the middle now, squares up. 3-pointer. Nothing down on her shot. The rebound is secured for the opponent. Goes. On the drive. Open lane, misses the shot. Sorry, miss for her. It's this offensive rebound, number 2 again at the middle. The float, still nothing down. Another try, and still no good. In and out. Rebound now secured for phase 3. Here's number 24 with the basketball. She's an open teammate. Nothing good. It's an offensive rebound. Bounces off. Rebound for the Hoopers. The team on the shot clock. Inbound by number 24. Pass off on top of the key. Back now to number 24 on the baseline. Ball pass outside. Shot clock right now. 5 seconds to shoot. Open middle. The float off the glass. Nothing down. Rebound secured for Southland. Here's number 7. Pass off. Oh boy, stolen. Deflected. Now the steal. There would be called for. It's at the middle now. Number 19 gives it up to number 7. The shot too strong. Offensive rebound by number 2. Muscling her way in. Misses the free throw. It's number 18. Squares up for 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 5. Oh, boys deflected. Good steal for number 24. Here's phase 3 again on the offense. Attacks. Block. And the ball will. It's number 19 brings down the letter. Heavy defense coming from number 24. Good defense for her. Here's number 7. The shot. Too strong. Number 2 again. Offensive rebound. And the put. It's a change of favor now. 4-2 is the count.
Good job,
4 minutes has gone by in this first quarter. Here's number 24 attacks. Here's the 2 at this first quarter again. Good crossover by number 2. There would be hold on play number 24. Here's number 15. Pass off to number 2. Here's Villanueva. Again, it's a steal. And down goes. It's a steal. Pass now to the big man. Oh, it's almost deflection.
Love it!
Here's number 7. Taking back a 2-point lead. She passes off on the left. 3-pointer still won't go. It's a rebound for the Hoopers. Number 7 gets that steal. It's number 29. Attacks. The layup won't go. She misses. It's a rebound for number 26. Pass off, number 29 for 3. Still bounces off.
Oy, grabe na yan. Oh,
Pass it now on the front court. Here's number 6. That will go. Here's number 26. Pass it off at the middle. It's a deflection. It's a steal. And the outlet. On the attack. Down the phase 3 with the leather. It's number 29 again brings down the leathers. The pass on the left. Heavy defense.
Bigay!
Oh, it's a pass on the baseline. The attack off the gas almost. Good rebound for Hoopers. Here's the outlet. Here's number 9. Gets an open lane. Misses. Misfires again. All open lanes and all open shots for phase 3. Again, here's the top of the key. Number 2 this time. Crosses over. All the way off that one-hander. All 6 again. 2 minutes. 20 seconds remaining in his first tight ball game we're having here. Here is South One Hoopers. Look para sa team ng phase 3. But here's the South One Hoopers who points it up on 3. He came too short. Another opportunity for the South One. After that steal, kicks it out. For 3. No good. It's a rebound for the White. Oh, it's another steal. Another great defense. The end of South One. Ball is deflected. It's a steal again for phase 3. Here's the outlet. It's too strong. Seconds remaining on our first quarter. But here's the phase 3, number 29. 3v2. Kicks it out. No good. Here's number 8. Here is number 8 again. Pass it off to number 7. Number 7 squares up. And short on. And here is number 2 bringing it down.
Diskarte mo na! Diskarte!
Gets through the defenders. Pass it off on the right side. Block there. Great defense again. 20 seconds on the shot clock. And there's a ball fake. The shot almost and then one. Trusting on the first quarter on this ball game. But we are amazed that they are using a size 7.
Tao! Kuha
It's
na!
not a standard for the women's division.
Rep,
It's a 1-point lead now for phase 3. Double team. Pass off to number 7.
Tao!
Number 7 loses the dribble. Pass it off to an open women. Nothing down on the shot. First quarter, 28 seconds remaining. And partner is only down to a 24 on that game clock. Here's number 29. Heavy defense has apprehended seconds to shoot. Pass off to number 29. Here's number 29. Gets open again. No floater. Too strong. Offensive rebound. Putnam is good. That's another 2 points. For phase 3, getting the first 3-pointer lead, or 3-point lead rather.
Salubong!
2 seconds to go. And that's the end of the first. The score again is a 3-point lead for phase 3. Here's number 18, good handles, hands it off. Here's number 24. Number 24 bumps up, almost losing at leather, uses the glass. Great offensive end for number 24.
Salubong! Salubong!
Lumalabas ang may galaw sa larong ito, but here's number 11 on their transition. And again, partner, both having great defense. Both teams showing their defensive end. Here's the inbound, number 7 on the inbound. Inbound goes down low. Oh, it's a steal now. Number 24 brings down that leather.
Diskarte mo na!
Stepping on the gas. The outlet, now low. Lost a foul. That partner, number 18 Chevy, that's what we use as men. And the first one was a miss. The second try, one. Inbound goes. Oh gosh, number 24 off the speed and an easy basket.
Tao!
At that quickness from that ball stolen after that transition. But here's the South One Hoopers Chokok. But if we're looking at our stats right now, number 24 having 15 on the shot clock. Defensive end, denying an inbound. Loses the dribble, hands it off. Triple team. Oh, that's a steal. Fourth steal now for number 24. The outlet pass. Pass it off, number 18, download, draws another foul. And partner, the foul was called on player number 19. That's a second personal foul. Second team foul now for South One. And look at that, that's an easy 1 point. The lead is up to 8 now. A possible 9. And she makes winning in this possession of the South One. Apprehended, almost deflected. Oh, it's a steal. Another stop. Here's number 24 on the drive. Oh, the away. And the jumper almost misfires. Pero sabi ni number 20, all those steals. And here is the outlet. Number 11 gets an open lane.
Timeout po, may timeout ha.
And the lead is now is 7, 15 to 8.
Kuha!
Good defense. Here's number 21. Back it for that loose ball.
Oh, same ball, same
Bounce, the
ball.
ball is on the shot clock. Here's number 18. Nothing down on the shot. Batting for that rebound, offensive rebound. She passed. Number 24, jumper, and it counts. Off the buzzer. Another 2 points for number 24. 8 points now in the ball game for her. Good defense. Here's number 7. Ball stolen again by number 24. 5 steals now. That would be. Here's number 19. Pass it off. 3-pointer. Won't go. Misfire. Nothing down at the one-hander. Rebound number 24. Outlet. Here's number 18. Catches it. Lays it up and it scores. South 1 may have a height advantage in this ballgame, but basically showing that the speed match. It's an 11-point lead rather.
What?
Here is number 7. Pass it off to the big man. Big man on top of the key. Almost slipping through. Here's number 9. Baseline J. She misses. Rebound secured for South 1. That'll be our first personal foul. 13 foul. It's an easy steal again. Number 26. Pass it up. Number 29. Down low. Shot is a miss. Rebound again for South 1. Here's an outlet to number 6. Shot and banks it in. 2 points.
Walay ka! Walay bola!
19-10, 4 minutes remaining. It's a 9-point lead or it's an easy steal. Here's number 7. The shot almost misses. Rebound secured, but it's a steal. And out. Both teams on 13 foul.
Left palming,
Here's
lifting!
number 19 at the middle. The float won't go. Battle for that rebound. Out of bounds. The ball denied. Here's number 27. Number 11. Pass off to number 26. Number 26 tries to drive. The kick out. The shot won't go on the jumper. And good fake on the drive. Floater bounces in. He scores again. Ball is deflected. Double team. Pass it off to number 9. Or 19 rather. Number 19. Shot. Bounces off. Hitting top iron. Put back. Pass it off. Goes out. The shot. Sideboard. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining.
Bigay!
Here's an outlet. Here's number 9. The shot. Again floats it up. She misses again. So rebound for number 10. Number 29. Pass it up down low. Thought she was a teammate, but it's a steal. Here's an outlet. It's a counter steal again.
Skarte!
Here's the big man. There would be a whistle.
Oh, sana ito, sana!
11-point lead again for phase 3. A minute remaining in this second quarter. Here's number 10. Almost loses the leather. Completely steal.
Bigay! Ganyan!
Number 29. She passes to the wrong woman. Here's number 19. Down low. Floats it off there. Put back is. And the lead is down to 8, 22, 14, 40 seconds remaining. Here's phase 3. Pass it off to number 26. Pass now to number 7. Number 7 pass it off on the left. Good go. Here's number 8. Attacks. Shot. Misfires. Shot clock turned off. 14 seconds. Number 29, pass it up down low. Number 7 with the shot off the glass. 10-point lead again, 4 seconds to go. 2 seconds. And that would be the end of the first. Here's number 24. Spins, jumper, short. Fighting for that rebound. It's an offensive rebound. Pass off again to number 24. She squares up, she fires. No good at the three-pointer. Rebound now secured for South One. There would be a whistle. It's a steal now. Number 24 drives, attacks. Pass again, number 24 misses again. On the attack, the float, and it's good. Number 2 is the one, ending a drought for a minute there. And here in the third, here is number 24. Passes it off number 6. Number 6 to number 2. Boys deflected. It's a steal. Here's number 2 again. Attacks off the glass. No good. Getting his own, her own miss. Number 2 scores back to back. Here's number 18. Number 18. One-legged three-pointer from downtown. Hurry! Here's number 2. Jumper. Hitting top iron. Number 24 grabs the rebound. She attacks. Getting her own miss. Knocking down still. It's a counter steal. Number 18 from downtown. Back-to-back three-pointers there. Here is number 2. Team foul for Phase 3. Here's number 2. She's now low. Off the glass, easy two.
Cyrus, ay Sheffield!
30-20 is the official count. There.
Kaya nga eh. Kunin mo na sa taas!
Here's number 24, offered steal, three-pointer, still won't go, offensive rebound. Number 24, double team, this is up to number 2. She passes on the left, one-hander, no good, rebound secured for number 2. Here's South One again, the outlet. Here's number 10, catches that outlet, shot, misfired. Here is Phase 3. Number 2, pass to the wrong woman. It's a steal again. Number 2 this time, attacks the middle. Loses it, taps it to her teammate and scores. Digit lead for Phase 3. There's number 18, she fires for 3. Won't go, rebound for number 2 again. To the outlet, and it's intercepted. Number 6, pass number 24, fakes the shot, the layup is there. Oh, it's another interception. Another fake. Number 24 attacks. Misses the layup. Boys deflected. Number 24 misses the. Oh, it's another deflection. Missing on her second is an offensive rebound for Phase 3. Jumper, short. Offensive rebound, number 6. Short on the shot, again. Now it's a rebound for South One. Throws that ball, but intercepted by Phase 3. Counter steal now for South One. Number 29, pass off to number 26. Pass now to number 7. At the middle for number 29. Is it intercepted? Oh, counter steal for number 26. Down. Here's number 8. Intercepted. 3-on-1. Here's number 21. Shot, misfire. Scrabble for that basketball. It's now a possession for South One Hoopers. Here's number 8. Pass it off on the left. Won't go, too strong, offensive rebound, shots again too strong. Third try, still nothing down. It's now a secured possession. Here's number 29. On the baseline, South 1.
Na! Na!
Here is number 2. The second personal foul. Boys deflected, just steal. Pass off, steal. Down low, no good to the shot. Loses the handle.
Kuha na! Kuha na! Ayan!
Here is her outlet. Outlet goes to number 6. Passes to the wrong man. Number 26 passes off to number 11. She passes off to number 21. Pass off to number 29. Back now to her. And number 21 scores a 2 points. Quarter. Here's number 19. Pass off. Here's number 8. Here is number 26. Passing on the right. Back now in the middle. Number 29. Down low. It's intercepted. It's a steal. She loses the dribble. Good pass. Pass. Offensive rebound. Number 10 misses.
Baba mo lang, Ding! Baba mo lang! Baba mo lang, Ding! Baba mo lang, Ding!
Oh, the jumper, it is good. 2 points again.
Nan! Kaya Nan, ha! Sa lubog!
Bangs now the basketball. Number 19 finding an open man is intercepted. Here is number 11 losing the handle. Ball still alive down low. Misfire. There would be 24 seconds remaining on the game clock. Going all the way. Layup is good. Triple team, number 26, pass off to number 29. 8 seconds to go. Here's number 29, drives, shot, too strong, 2 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter.
Sa'yo na, kabila!
Here's
Yan!
number 5, pass off to number 2. Number 2, drives, shot, won't go. Number 24 with the rebound. Loses it. Pass off to number 2 again, draws a foul, almost at the leading scorer so far for...
Gamit daw, Ras!
Here is number 24. There. Here is number 5. Great defense coming from phase 3. Here's number 24, drives, no good to the shot. Here's number 24. 3-pointer. It's hitting top iron. Here's number 2. Back now to number
Gamit daw, Ras!
24.
Gamit daw, Ras!
Here's number 2 this time. She fires. Won't go. Boys intercepted. Another steal for number 24. 8 steals in this ball game. Layup is not secured. Blocked there by number 5. Here's an outlet. 3-on-3 break. Make it 3-on-4. Quick fire on the 3-point line. Here is number 2. Down. And down low. Easy 2 there coming from number 2. 39-29. Down to a 10-point lead. Number 24 gives it up. One-hander. Out of bounds.
Harap!
Down low. Easy 2.
Bigyan mo pa dyan! Time! Gamit daw, Ras!
8-point lead.
Gamit daw, Ras! Gamit ang
Number
oras!
18 finds number 2. Number 2 finds number 24. She attacks. Jumper. Won't go. Has a rebound. Nothing down for number 29. Getting her own miss. 10 on the shot clock. At the middle, free throw line jumper. Still nothing down. Rebound now secured for South One. Here is number 2.
Salubong! Salubong! Huwag ka mabaul!
Number 2 now.
Oy! Oy! Oy!
Now will
Oh.
go for throw. Makes it to go.
Gamit ang oras!
Pass now number 2. Boys deflected. It's a steal. Number 10 pass off to number 2. South One now running this offense. Number 2 attacks. Shot. Getting inside board. Here's number 29, and that would be an
Line
easy
up.
kill for a short stack. 42-31. Here's number 5. Pass off to number 2. Number 2 now attacks. Shot. And it is good. Down again to a 9-point lead. Number 24 brings down that basketball. Number 24 squares off a jumper. She scores. Changing of baskets now in this. Inbound goes to number 19. Pass off to number 5. Dribbles. Stolen by number 24. Phase 3 now on the offense. Number 24. Jumper. Nothing down this time.
Labas!
Offensive
Labas!
rebound.
Gamit ang
Number
oras!
29.
Gamit ang oras! Gamit ang oras!
Here's number 24.
Gamit ang oras!
On the left side. Fakes. Passes. At the middle now. Down low to number 29. One on the shot clock.
Tumama ring! Salubong!
Here is number 2. On the attack. Layup is good.
Gamit ang oras!
Number 24. Stepping through defenders. Layup too strong. So rebound secured for South One. Pass off to number 19. There. Misses both free throws. Here's number 21. Crosses over.
Oh, gamit ang oras! Gamit ang oras!
Finds an open teammate. Here's number 18. Shot. Misfire. Rebound for number 2. Being double teamed. Pass it off. Number 19. Down low. Number 10. Short. Bounces off. Rebound. Gets her own miss. Here's number 2 again. There would be a one out of on the
Oh, gamit ang oras! Baba mo lang! Baba mo! Tawid na lang ko!
last 2 minutes. Here's number 24.
Yan! Gamit ang oras! Hawak lang!
Inbound goes. Open 3-pointer. Almost. Rebound for number 2.
Hawak lang bola!
Here's number 2 running this offense for South One. There would be
Hawak oras! Gamit! Hawak lang!
the seconds are
Hawak
remaining
lang!
for number 24.
Tawid! Screen!
Skipping 3
Tawid lang! Tawid!
defenders.
Tawid lang! Tawid lang! Yan! Hawak lang!
Here's number 24
Gamit ang
working
oras.
on the shot clock. Just running out some time.
Mababay!
Makes on the first. A minute and 20 seconds remaining. Here's number 2.
Huwag lang
On
na.
the gas. Goes all the way easily. First free throw is good. Misses on the second. Rebound secured for South One. It's number 19. Pass off to number 2. Here's number 2 again. Bumps off, throws a foul, and one play. Nice throw. Misses the outfield.
Wala mo nagagalaw! Oh! Gamit
Here's
ang oras!
number 24.
Gamit ang oras! Gamit ang oras!
Losing up some time. There was the foul.
Jaran, likod mo ha! Walang pa-foul! Sa lubong! Oy, sumipa!
48-41. Shot clock. Inbound goes on the right side. Back now at the middle.
Gamit ang oras!
Here's number 24. Gets double
Oy,
team.
bigay! Gamit ang oras!
And that would be a shot clock violation.
Kunin mo yan! Kunin mo yan! Kunin mo yan! Walang pa-foul! Walang pa-foul!
Here's number 2 again. Attacks all the way. Short. Getting her own miss. Put back off the glass. 2 points. 18 seconds remaining.
Ako lang!
Back now to number 24.
Tawid! Tawid!
Shot clock is turned off. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go.
Oh, Paisley! 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 Thank you so much for watching my blog, Raw at Alawi Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sport!